It's raining out here. I need an umbrella for my camera. Boy, Lucky's really moving. He's pretty crippled usually. Get him, Lucky. He's a wet little bunny. Warrior's feet are blue about 50 feet. Well, Bayron lived most of his 8 years in a small pen, and he sure enjoys having some room here. He's got progressive ligament disease, but it doesn't slow him down right now. I need to get my goldfish into a bigger tank. I found a really nice hexagonal tank on the side of the road, but it has a broken pane that needs to be fixed. I'm not sure if I can do it, but I think I need to try. It would be a lot more space than they have in this 20-gallon. They were 1 inch long a year ago. Now they're about 6 or 7 inches long. I didn't know they were going to keep growing. I'm letting some algae grow on the glass because my nitrate level in the well water here is high. So they said algae will bring your nitrates down, so that's why the glass is not clean all over. I have a little window I can see through, and every place else I'm letting the algae grow.